Students, today we are going to start to study trigonometry. On the trigonometry, we studied many formulas, and today we are going to study about this multiple and sub-multiple angles. Now, let us look here. Number 5, multiple and sub-multiple angle formula. We know multiple formula हेर्नुस् है त हामी यसबाट sin 2a is equals to, we can start from here. Sin 2a is sin a plus a ho. We already read in 9 and class 10 2 sin a cos a. Similarly, cos 2a is equals to cos square a minus sin square a, or you can write 2 cos square a minus 1, or also another one also formula we have 1 minus 2 sin square a. Similarly, we have 10 2a is equals to 2 10a. We can write like this one, 2 10a upon 1 minus 10 square a. 10 2a को फर्मुला यो हुन्छ भने sin 2a को फर्मुला in terms of 10 मा 2 10a upon 1 plus 10 square a हुन्छ फेरि sin 2a को in terms of 10 मा. त्यस्तै cos 2a को फेरि in terms of, हेर्नुस् त, cos 2a को in terms of 10 मा फेरि के हुन्छ होला त 1 minus 10 square a upon 1 plus 10 square a हुन्छ. त्यस्तै cot 2a को फर्मुला cot square a minus 1 by cot 2a हुन्छ. यो त भयो मल्टिपल एंगल सम्बन्धी. यस्तै सब मल्टिपल एंगल सम्बन्धी पनि हामी हेर्न सक्छौं. जस्तै हेर्नुस् है, यो sin 2a को फर्मुलामा sin a is equals to, यसलाई डिवाइड बाइ 2 गर्यौं भने यो र यो क्यान्सल हुन्छ. अब एंगलमा डिवाइड 2 गर्यौं भने यो पनि एंगलमा डिवाइड बाइ 2, या पनि एंगलमा डिवाइड बाइ 2 गर्दा हेर्नुस् त कति हुन्छ 2 sin डिवाइड बाइ 2 डिवाइड बाइ 2 भनेपछि के भयो त 2 sin a बाइ 2 टाइम्स cos a by 2. त्यस्तै फेरि यसमा हेर्नुस् त के हुन्छ 2 10a by 2 upon 1 plus 10 square a by 2 हुन्छ. यदि यहाँ a भयो भने यहाँ a by 2 हुन्छ. You already read this formula also. त्यस्तै cos a is equals to, यहाँ cos 2a भएको ठाउँमा a लेख्यो भने यो cos square a भएको ठाउँमा a by 2, यहाँ पनि a by 2, 2 ले डिवाइड गर्यौं हामीले एंगललाई. त्यसकारणले के हुन्छ त cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2 is equals to, we have 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1 हुन्छ. त्यस्तै फेरि हामीसँग 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2. त्यस्तै फेरि in terms of 10 मा 1 minus 10 square a by 2 upon 1 plus 10 square a by 2 हुन्छ. Similarly, 10 2a मा हेर्नुस् त 10a को फर्मुला 2 10a by 2 upon 1 minus 10 square a by 2. त्यस्तै cot a मा पनि cot square a by 2 minus 1 by cot, हेर्नुस् त cot square a by 2 minus 1 upon, हामीले cot square a minus 1 upon 2 कटे हो यो 2 cot a त्यस्तै यो 2 cot a by 2 हुन्छ यहाँ पनि त्यस्तै फेरि हामीसँग मल्टिपल एंगलको 3a को हेर्नुस् त सपोज sin 3a is equals to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a हुन्छ त्यस्तै cos 3a को फर्मुला हेर्नुस् त cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a हुन्छ त्यस्तै tan 3a को फर्मुला 3 tan a minus tan cube a upon 1 minus 3 tan square a हुन्छ यसरी हामीले हेर्नुस् त यो ट्रिपल एंगल को फर्मुलाहरु त्यस्तै अनि हाफ एंगल का फर्मुलाहरु यो मल्टिपल एन्ड सब मल्टिपल एंगल का फर्मुलाहरुको बारेमा स्टडी गर्यौं Students, now we are going to start another one formula, that is transformation formula. So number 6. Transformation formula. In transformation formula, we study about sin a plus b plus sin a plus b plus sin a minus b is equals to यसको फर्मुला यसको हामीले sin a plus b भनेको sin a cos b times plus cos a sin b plus sin a minus b भनेको sin a cos b minus cos a sin b यी दुईटालाई हामीले हेर्यौं भने के आउँछ 2 sin a cos b आउँछ यस्तै sin a plus b minus sin a minus b is equals to 2 cos a sin b यहाँ हेर्नुस् त यो सम्झिनलाई सजिलो पनि छ अहिले एकछिनपछि म तपाईलाई भन्नुला त्यस्तै cos a plus b plus cos a minus b is equals to 2 cos a cos b त्यस्तै फेरि cos a plus b minus cos a minus b is equals to minus 2 sin a sin b अब एकछिन तपाई हेर्नुस् यहाँ sin a plus b को फर्मुला तपाईलाई थाहा छ sin a plus b को फर्मुला हामीसँग sin a cos b plus cos a sin b हो त्यस्तै cos a plus b को फर्मुला cos a cos b minus sin a sin b हो अब एकछिन हेर्नुस् त यदि तपाईहरुलाई यो फर्मुलामा कुनै कन्फ्युज छ भने तपाईको कन्फ्युज यसरी क्लियर हुन्छ जस्तै sin यो sin र यो sin को बीचमा प्लस छ भने अगाडि त a plus b सबैमा a plus b छ पछाडी सबैमा a minus b छ त्यसकारणले sin a plus b plus sin a minus b sin को बीचमा प्लस छ भने यो sin a plus b को यो अगाडिको आउँछ अगाडिको भनेको sin a cos b हेर्नुस् त sin a cos b 2 वटा एड गर्दाखेरि 2 sin a cos b आयो त्यस्तै यदि यो sin र sin को बीचमा यदि माइनस छ भने यो sin को फर्मुलाको यो पछाडीको आउँछ cos a sin b cos a sin b हेर्नुस् है अब 2 त हाम्रो सबैमा आउँछ त्यसकारणले यसमा कन्फ्युज भएन हेर्नुस् त पछाडीको आयो यदि cos र cos को बीचमा प्लस छ भने अब गेस गर्नुस् त कहाँको आउँछ पक्कै cos a plus b को यो अगाडिको आउँछ हेर्नुस् त cos a cos b अगाडि 2 आयो त्यस्तै cos र cos को बीचमा यदि माइनस छ भने के आउँछ cos को पछाडीको आउँछ sin a sin b हेर्नुस् त माइनस sin a sin b छ त्यसकारणले यहाँ पनि माइनस यो 2 सबैमा आयो sin a sin b छ यसरी तपाईले एउटा यसमा चाहिँ माइनस आउँछ भनेर तपाईले याद गर्नुभयो भने तपाईको sin र sin को बीचमा प्लस भयो भने sin को a plus b को अगाडिको माइनस भयो भने पछाडीको cos को बीचमा प्लस भयो भने cos को अगाडिको cos को बीचमा माइनस भयो भने cos को पछाडीको भन्नुभयो भने तपाईलाई यो फर्मुलामा समस्या पर्दैन अब यदि यो तपाईँ माइनस हटाउन चाहनुहुन्छ भने हेर्नुहोस् है त अर यसमा तपाईले कस यो a माइनस b लाई अगाडि लेख्न सक्नुहुन्छ अनि माइनस कस a प्लस b लाई लेख्नुभयो भने 2 sin a अनि sin b हुन्छ यसरी यसरी तपाई युज गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ अब यसपछि फेरि हामीहरुले यो a प्लस b लाई c मान्छौं हेर्नुस् त a प्लस b इज इक्वल टु c a माइनस b इज इक्वल टु d सपोज गर्यौं भने लेट गर्यौं भने यसमा के हुन्छ हेर्नुस् त sin c प्लस sin d हुन्छ a प्लस b ठाउँमा c a माइनस b ठाउँमा d sin c प्लस sin d को फर्मुला के हुन्छ होला त 2 sin र sin को बीचमा प्लस भयो भने sin को अगाडिको भनेको sin र cos sin त्यस्तै फेरि cos अब a भनेको यहाँ हेर्नुस् त यदि तपाईले यी दुईटा इक्वेसन बनाएर यदि एड गर्नु भयो भने b र b क्यान्सल हुन्छ 2a = c + d हुन्छ अब a = कति हुन्छ त c + d / 2 हुन्छ त्यसकारण 2 sin a भन्ने ठाउँमा के राख्न मिल्ने रहेछ c + d / 2 त्यस्तै गरी तपाईले b भनेको ठाउँमा हेर्नुस् त यदि यसलाई एड नगरिकन सबट्र्याक्ट गर्नुभयो भने माइनस को प्लस हुन्छ प्लस को माइनस हुन्छ यसरी हुन्छ a र a क्यान्सल भयो भने b + 2b = c - d हुन्छ अनि b = c - d / 2 हुन्छ त्यसकारणले यहाँ तपाईले c - d / 2 फर्मुला युज गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ यसरी हामी sin c + sin d को फर्मुला 2 sin c + d / 2 टाइम्स cos c - d / 2 हुन्छ तर तपाईलाई सम्झिनको लागि sin को बीचमा प्लस भयो भने sin cos हुन्छ sin को अगाडिको हुन्छ sin cos अगाडि त c + d / 2 पछाडी सबैमा c - d / 2 अब तपाई गेस गर्नुस् त sin c - sin d को फर्मुला के हुन्छ sin को बीचमा माइनस भएपछि 2 त भइहाल्छ sin को पछाडीको भनेको हेर्नुस् त cos र sin हुन्छ cos a भनेको ठाउँमा तपाईले c + d / 2 युज गर्नुहुन्छ अनि त्यसपछि पछाडीको sin छ b भनेको ठाउँमा c - d / 2 युज गर्नुहुन्छ त्यस्तै गरी अब हेर्नुस् त cos c + cos d भयो भने पक्कै 2 त भइहाल्छ अब तपाईको यहाँ c + d / 2 पनि हुन्छ यहाँ c - d / 2 पनि हुन्छ अब तपाईलाई यहाँ चाहिँ sin राख्ने कि cos राख्ने कन्फ्युज त्यहाँ हुन्छ त्यसकारण cos को बीचमा प्लस भयो भने cos a + b को अगाडिको cos अनि cos हुन्छ त्यसकारणले अब यहाँ हामीले cos अनि यहाँ cos यसरी लेख्न सक्छौं अब तपाईले फेरि गेस गरिसक्नु भयो पक्कै cos c - cos d को के हुन्छ त cos c - cos d = 2 हुन्छ अब यहाँ पनि c + d / 2 c - d / 2 अब तपाईलाई थाहा छ cos को बीचमा माइनस भयो भने cos a + b को पछाडीको हुन्छ त्यो भनेको sin हुन्छ त्यसकारणले तपाईले यहाँ sin अनि sin लेख्न सक्नुहुन्छ तर यो cos c - cos d मा यहाँ के आउँछ एउटा माइनस आउँछ यो चाहिँ तपाईले यहाँबाट हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ अथवा यसलाई माइनसमा राख्दिन भन्ने तपाईले सोच्नु भयो भने तपाईले यो अगाडि लेख्नु पर्ने हुन्छ और हेर्नुस् है त cos d - cos c = 2 sin c + d / 2 times sin c - d / 2 हुन्छ अथवा यसमा फेरि और हेरौं तपाईले यस्तो पनि गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ तपाईले cos c - cos d लेखेर cos c - cos d नै लेख्नु भयो भने यो माइनस हटाउनको लागि हेर्नुस् त 2 sin c + d / 2 times sin c - d को सट्टा तपाईले d - c / 2 लेखेर पनि तपाई राख्न सक्नुहुन्छ यसरी हामीले यो ट्रान्सफर्मेसन फर्मुलाहरुको बारेमा अहिले तपाईहरुलाई बतायौं स्टुडेन्ट्स नाउ वी आर गोइङ टु स्टडी नेक्स्ट वान फर्मुला दैट वान इज कंडीशनल आइडेन्टिटीज का फर्मुला हेर्दै छौं हामी हेरौं अहिले हामी 7 नम्बरको फर्मुलामा conditional identities अब यो conditional identities मा हामीहरुले A plus B plus C is equals to pi or 180 degree छ भने A plus B is equals to pi minus C भन्छौं। अब यसमा साइन ल्याउँ भने के हुन्छ हेर्नुस् त, साइन A plus B is equals to साइन pi minus C। साइन pi minus C भनेको कति हो, साइन C हो। साइन को 180 minus C मा पोजिटिभ हुन्छ। सिमिलरली cos A plus B is equals to cos pi minus C, that one is minus cos C. Similarly, tan A plus B is equals to tan pi minus C is equals to minus tan C हुन्छ। Similarly, we have A plus B is equals to, we have here pi minus C. If we'll divide by 2, here also we'll divide it by 2. So, taking sign on both sides, sin A plus B by 2 is equals to sin we have pi by 2 minus C by 2. We separate गर्दाखेरि, so this is equal to sin 90 degree minus C by 2 भनेको cos C by 2. Similarly, we have cos A plus B by 2 is equals to cos pi by 2 minus C by 2 is equals to sin C by 2. Similarly, tan A plus B by 2 is equals to tan pi by 2 minus C by 2. This is equals to cot C by 2. We can use like this formula on these conditional identities. Example 1. In example 1, prove that sec A plus tan A minus 1 by, we can write tan A minus sec A plus 1 is equals to 1 plus sin A by cos A. To solve this problem, we have to take either LHS or RHS. So, solution, taking left hand side, or we say left side also. So, here is sec A plus tan A minus 1 by tan A minus sec A plus 1. So, we can solve such type of problem by using the formula of 1 in terms of sec and tan. Sometimes we will use this formula on both side of both place of 1. Sometimes we use only one place. So, let's look here. We have sec A plus tan A minus, what's the formula of 1 in terms of sec A and tan A? You know very well, sec square A minus tan square A by, okay students, if you have sometimes have a confused, you can leave this space now. So now this is equals to, we have here sec A plus tan A minus sec A plus tan A times sec A minus tan A whole divided by here also हामी केही छिनपछि लेख्छौं। तपाईलाई यो कुरा यसरी गर्नुभयो भने एकदम इजी हुन्छ। हेर्नुस् है, यी दुईटामा कमन के आउँछ, sec A plus tan A, we can take common here and here. So remaining is here 1 minus, यसले ओपन गर्दियौं, we have sec A plus tan A. We can check either this is same in denominator or not. हेर्नुस् त, here is minus sec A plus 1 and then tan A also same. So we can cancel easily. So we can copy the same tan A minus sec A plus 1. If sometimes if it doesn't cancel, that time we can use the formula of 1 also. So here is also just we can arrange. At first we can write 1 minus then sec a and then plus tan a. Now same 1 minus sec a plus tan a. So now this and this we can cancel. So this is equal to sec a means 1 by cos a plus tan a means sin a by cos a. So we can write here after taking LCM cos a 1 plus sin a by cos a, which is RHS. Therefore we can write LHS left hand side is equals to right hand side. Hence proved. Hence proved. I think it is very easy question for you. Now we are going to start another one example. That one is example 2. Example 2. In this example, prove that one by sine suppose theta minus 1 by cosec theta minus cot theta is equals to 1 by cosec theta plus cot theta minus 1 by sin theta. Now, how can we solve this question? Okay, let's look solution. We can take either LHS or RHS. So let's take left side only. We can write left side. This is equals to 1 by sin theta minus 1 by cosec theta minus cot theta. So we have this is equals to 1 by sin theta means we can write cosec theta minus, we can use formula in terms of cosec and cot. So 1 is cosec square theta minus cot square theta by cosec theta minus cot theta. Now this is equals to cosec theta minus, we can use a square minus b square formula. That one is cosec theta plus cot theta times cosec theta minus cot theta divided by, here is cosec theta minus cot theta. So we can cancel this and this. Now we have this is equal to cosec theta minus, let's open it by minus cosec theta plus cot theta. So here we won't cancel this and this. Here is 1 upon sin theta, that one is minus cosec theta. So this cosec theta we put at last. So this is equals to cosec theta plus cot theta minus cosec theta. So here is, we can this by 1, we can write like this. So instead of 1, we can use the formula that cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So this is equals to, here is cosec theta plus cot theta by, here is a square minus b square, that one is cosec theta plus cot theta times cosec theta minus cot theta. So we can cancel this and this. Minus cosec theta is, we can write 1 by sin theta. Students, here we have, when we open this minus and plus, it became here minus. So here is also, due to that one, here is also we have minus cot theta. So here is also minus cot theta. So we can write it, this one is minus, this minus cot theta is cancelled, and this one is plus. Once again, cosec square A minus cot square A square minus B square is A minus B times A plus B. So this minus and this minus cancel to each other. And then this one is left, this is plus. So we can write, here we can write, this is equals to 1 by cosec theta plus cot theta minus 1 by sin theta. This is equals to right side. Therefore, left side is equal to right side. Hence proved. यसरी हामीले यसको पनि प्रुफ गर्यौं। पक्कै तपाईहरुलाई यो गाह्रो लाग्दैन होला। Students, now we are going to start another one example. That one is example 3. We have example 3. Prove that sin A times sin B minus C plus sin B times sin C minus A plus sin C times sin A minus B is equals to 0. This is our question. Now, taking LHS, taking left side, we have left side is sin A sin B minus C plus sin B times sin C minus A plus sin C times sin A minus B. Now this is equals to, we have here, this is sin A, we can use the formula of sin B minus C. You know, formula of sin A minus B is sin A cos B, cos A sin B. Similarly here, we can write sin A cos B instead of A B, instead of B C. So minus cos B and then sin C plus, here is sin B times sin, here is also A minus B means sin C cos A minus cos C sin A, and then again plus sin C, here is sin C, and then sin A minus B is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Now this is equals to, यसले ओपन गर्दियौं, sin A sin B cos C minus again sin A cos B sin C here. Now let's open by sin B again, plus sin B sin C and cos A, and then again plus, we can open by this sin B, this is sin A sin B cos C, plus sin A sin B cos C, plus and minus became minus. Similarly here sin plus and plus became plus, sin A cos B sin C, sin A cos B sin C minus, plus and minus became minus, sin C cos A sin B sin C, cos A sin B sin C. Now we have to cancel these all. Let's look very carefully. Sin A, sin B, cos C plus sin A, sin B, cos C minus. So this and this cancel. Similarly, sin A, cos B, sin C minus sin A, cos B, sin C plus. This and this also cancel. Similarly, cos A, sin B, sin C, cos A, sin B, sin C plus and minus also we can cancel. Now this is equals to 0 is equal to right side. Therefore, left side is equal to right side, hence proved. Students, now we are going to start another one example of different types. So that example is example 4. Example 4. In example 4, we can adjust question, find the value of sine 18 degree. Find the value of sine 18 degree without using calculator हो यो हामी 18 degree को भ्यालु कसरी फाइन्ड आउट गर्छौं सल्युसन we have to let theta is equals to 18 degree. Now if we multiply 18 by 2, it will be 36. That is not standard angle. If we multiply by 3, 18 times 3 is 54. That's also not standard angle. 18 times 4 is also not. And 18 times 5 is 90 degree. So 90 degree is standard value. So we can multiply it by 5 on both sides. So 5 theta is equals to 5 times 18 degree. That one is 90 degree. We can write or 5 theta is equals to 90 degree. Let's break 5 theta like this one. 2 theta plus 3 theta is equals to 90 degree. So 2 theta is equals to 90 degree minus 3 theta. We can write or. So here is 2 theta, here is 90 minus 3 theta. So we can take sine on both sides. So sine 2 theta is equal to sine 90 degree minus 3 theta. Or this is the formula of sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta, because formula of sine 2a is 2 sine a cos a. Similarly, sine 90 degree minus a is cos a, that is 3 theta, cos 3 theta. Or 2 sine theta times cos theta is equals to, what is the formula of cos 3a? Formula of cos 3a is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Here we wrote theta instead of a. Or we have to find here value of sine 18 degree, not of cos 18 degree. So we have to convert these all cos in terms of sine. So we can write it here 2 sine theta cos theta minus 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta plus 3 cos theta is equal to 0. Or now here is also cos theta, here is also cos theta, here is also cos theta, and we can take common cos theta. Then we have here 2 sine theta minus 4 cos square theta plus 3 is equals to 0. Now here we can use either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. So we can write either cos theta is equal to 0 or 2 sine theta minus 4 cos square theta plus 3 is equals to 0. If cos theta is equal to 0, then the value of sine 18 degree doesn't come. So but we can write cos theta is not equals to 0. त्यसो हो भने 2 sin theta minus 4 cos square theta plus 3 must be equals to 0. अब त्यसो हो भने or हेर्नुस् है त we can write 2 sin theta minus 4 1 minus sin square theta plus 3 is equals to 0. हामीले अब यसलाई सबै sin मै कन्भर्ट गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. Now we can show here, or we can write here now 2 sin theta minus 4 times 1 is 4 minus minus plus sin square minus minus plus 4 times sin square theta is 4 sin square theta plus 3 is equals to 0. Or we have here 4 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta minus 1 is equals to 0. Now we cannot factor this one because 4 times 1 is minus 4, and then we cannot find factor by simple way, so we suppose this is as equation 1. Now comparing equation 1 in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So we'll get here at first x is equals to sin theta, and x square is sin square, so x is sin theta, so x is sin theta, and then a is 4. Here a is 4, and then b is equals to 2, and c is equals to minus 1. Now using formula, we know x is equals to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac whole by 2a. Or instead of x we can write sin theta is equals to minus times what is b? B is 2. So we can write 2 plus minus root under b square is 2 square minus 4. A means we have 4 and c means minus 1. 4ac whole by 2 times a is 4. This is equals to minus 2 plus minus root under 2 square is 4 plus 16 by 8. This is equals to minus 2 plus minus root under this one is 20 by 8. So this is equals to minus 2 plus minus 20 means 2 root 5 by 8. We can take 2 common. Now we have here sin theta. Sin theta is equals to, here we can take 2 common. So 2 times minus 1 plus minus root under 5 by 8. Here 2 we took common here. Then minus 1 plus minus root 5 by 8. This and this 4 times it cuts. Therefore, sin theta is equals to, we can write plus minus root 5 minus 1 by 4. And here instead of sin theta we can write theta is 18 degree. We let it at first. So therefore sin 18 degree is equals to this. If we'll take positive sign, then because this is acute angle, we can write root 5 minus 1 by 4, or if not, then you can write plus minus both. This is the required answer of our question. This is the value of sin 18 degree. Now we are going to start another one example. That one is example 5. In example 5, prove that we are going to do another one type of question. That one is, suppose cos 40 degree, I put it here space, cos 40 degree, suppose cos 100 degree times cos 160 degree is equals to, we can write, suppose 1 by 8. 1 by 8 once. Look, this is our question. Now we are making little complicated question by adding such type of things. Suppose cos, we can add it here, cos 60 degree. You know the value of cos 60 degree is, cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Similarly, you can add another one. Suppose cos 120 degree. The value of cos 120 degree is minus 1 by 2. If you will multiply these all, then minus 1 by 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. So 1 by, here is 32. So if you want to add it here, another one value cos 30. So if you write it here again, cos 30 degree, then cos 30 degree is, you know, root 3 by 2. Now by multiplying these all, we will get minus root 3 by 8 times 2, 16 times 2, 32 times 2, 64, minus root 3 by 64. So minus root 3 by 64. In this way, teacher can make question seems to be complicated. Actually, that's not complicated. So let's look here. Solution. We can take LHS. Left side is, we have cos 30 degree times cos 40 degree times cos 60 degree times cos 100 degree times cos 120 degree times cos 160 degree. Now this is equals to, the value of cos 30 is, you know, root 3 by 2. Value of cos 60 is, you know, 1 by 2. The value of cos 120 is, you know, minus 1 by 2. Now we have here a cos 40 degree times cos 100 degree times cos 160 degree. We have this left. So this is equals to, we can write it here, root 3 by minus root 3 by 8. So here is cos 40 degree and then 100 degree. We can write it here. Here is 1 by 2 times 2. So we can use this 2 cos A cos B as a formula. Now we can use this. So 2 cos A cos B, the formula of 2 cos A cos B is cos A plus B cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. This is the formula of 2 cos A cos B. So here is, we can write it 1 by 2 times. Now here is 2 cos A cos B is cos A means 40 degree, cos A plus B plus cos 40 minus 100, cos A minus B times cos 160 degree. Now this is equals to minus root 3 by 16. This means cos 140 degree plus this means cos minus 60 degree. Students, we can suppose this as a and this as a B also. If you will suppose like this, and here doesn't come minus, here will be 100 minus 40 and it will be plus 60. Cos 160 degree. We can change this cos 160 also in terms of cos 180 degree minus 20 degree. Because, and this comes here, minus 160 is, cos 160 is 180 minus 20. So this is equals to minus root 3 by 16 times. Here cos 180 minus 20, you know cos 180 minus 20 is cos 20 degree, and here will come 1 minus. Okay, we'll write at last. Okay, here is cos 140 degree plus cos 60 degree times this minus cos 20 degree. This is equal to this minus and this minus will make plus. This is root 3 by 16 times, we can write cos 20 degree. Now we can change this also, cos 180 degree minus 40 degree is also 140 degree plus what's the value of cos 60 degree? You know that one is 1 by 2. Now this is equals to root 3 by 16 times cos 20 degree. This means minus cos 40 degree again here plus 1 by 2. Now this is equals to, let's open by this one. So we have here minus root 3 by 16 and then cos 40 degree times cos 20 degree, we can write like this. This and this multiplied, and then here plus root 3 upon 16 times 2 is 32 here. And we can write it here again, 1 by 2 times 2. So 2 cos A cos B, we can use the same formula. So we can write here, this is equal to minus root 3 by minus root 3 by 32 times 2 cos A cos B is cos. Cos A means we have 40, B means 20. So cos 40 plus 20 plus, we have here again, if we will multiply root 3 by 16 cos 20, then it will be root 3 by 32, and then here is cos 20 degree also. Now we have root 3, here is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B means 40 degree minus 20 degree. And then again we have left plus root 3 by 32 cos 20 degree. This is the remaining. Now this is equals to minus root 3 by 32 times this one is cos 60 degree plus, let's open plus and minus, it became minus, here is root 3 by 32 and then cos 40 minus 20 is 20 degree plus root 3 by 32 cos 20 degree. This is minus cos 20 degree, this is plus root 3 by 32 cos 20 degree, cancel each other. Now this is equals to minus root 3 by 32 times, what's the value of cos 60 degree? You know cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Now this is equals to minus root 3 by 64. I think this one is our RHS, root 3 by minus root 3 by 64. This is equal to our RS right side. Therefore, we can write L left side is equal to right side, hence proved. Hence proved. In this way, we proved this question. Students, now we are going to look another one example that is also different types of question. Okay, in example 6. Example 6. if a plus b plus c is equals to pi, prove that ten a plus ten b plus ten c is equal to ten a, ten b, ten c. हेर्नुहोस् है त, यो फेरि अलि फरक प्रकारको क्वेसन छ। अब यसको सोलुसन we have here the given condition is a plus b plus c is equals to pi. So a plus b is equals to pi minus c. हेर्नुहोस् त 10a plus 10b plus 10c भएको कारणले taking 10 on both sides, taking 10 on both sides, we have 10a plus b is equal to 10 pi minus c, or we can write 10a plus 10b upon 1 minus 10a 10b. This is the formula of 10a plus b is equals to 10 pi means 180 degree. 10 180 minus c is minus 10c. We can cross multiply now, or we can write 10a plus 10b is equals to, let's multiply, minus 10c. Minus 10c times 1 is minus 10c. Minus minus plus, we have 10a, 10b and 10c. 10a, 10b and 10c. Now our question is 10a plus 10b plus 10c is equals to 10a, 10b, 10c. So let's arrange these terms to show this LHS and RHS. So you can write R 10a plus 10b, and this minus 10c comes here, and then plus we have 10c is equals to 10a, 10b and 10c. Therefore in this way we got left side is equal to right side. Left, we can write left hand side, right hand side. Hence proved. यसरी हामीले यो क्वेशनलाई सजिलै तरिकाबाट प्रुभ गर्यौं. Students, now we are going to start another one example, and this is also different types. So let's look here, example 7. Example 7. We have here, if a plus b plus c is equals to pi, then so that cos square a plus cos square b plus cos square c is equal to 1 minus 2 cos a cos b cos c. Solution. We have the given condition. The given condition is a plus b plus c is equals to pi. So we have a plus b is equals to pi minus c. And here is cos square a cos square b cos square c. So we have to change this square in terms of 2a, 2b and 2c. So cos 2a, cos 2b, cos 2c. So we can leave it here, 1, 2 is here, space, or here is we can look here on RHS side, here is cos a, cos b, cos c. So we can take it cos on both sides. So cos A plus B is equal to cos pi minus C is equals to minus cos C. Now if we need, we will calculate sine also. So let's take LHS. Left side is cos square A plus cos square B plus cos square C. So this is equals to, students, cos 2A is equal to cos 2A is equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. So cos square A is equal to, here is 1 plus cos 2A by 2 is equals to cos square A. So we are using this formula. This is also formula of cos 2A. So cos square A, instead of this cos square A, we use this. So we can write 1 plus cos 2A by 2 plus, instead of cos square B, we can write 1 plus cos 2B by 2 plus cos square C, we can write the same. Now this is equals to, if we'll take LCM 2, then we can write 1 by 2 times 1 plus 1 will be 2 plus, here is cos 2A plus cos 2B, we can put it in bracket and we'll close, plus cos square C. Now we can use here 1 by 2 times 2 plus cos C plus cos D. You know the formula of cos C plus cos D is equals to 2 cos C plus D by 2 times cos C minus D by 2. This is the formula of cos C plus cos D. So using the same, 2 cos C plus D by 2 times cos C minus D by 2 plus, here is cos square C. Now this is equals to 1 by 2 times, we can take it to common. So 1 plus, here is cos. If we'll take 2 common here, then A plus B will be here. 2 common like this, A plus B by 2, and we can cut this. Similarly, cos 2 common, then A minus B by 2, we can cut this and this, plus cos square C. This and this we can cancel. Now this is equals to 1 plus, the value of cos A plus B is, here is cos A plus B, value of cos A plus B is minus cos C. So we can write here minus cos C times cos A minus B plus cos square C. Now this is equals to 1 minus, if we'll take cos C and cos C common, then we can write cos C common, then cos A minus B minus, because here is minus, so we take common here minus, so plus, we have minus times minus is plus, so one minus is common, another minus is here, minus 1 cos C is common, then another cos C is left. Now we can write here, this is equals to 1 minus cos C times cos A minus B times minus, what is the value of minus cos C? So here minus cos C is cos A plus B, so we can write plus and then cos A plus B. Because if instead of minus cos C, we wrote it cos A plus B. This is equals to 1 minus cos C times, we can use cos C plus cos D formula, or we can open cos A minus B and cos A plus B. So let's open by using the formula of cos A plus B and cos A minus B. So cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Similarly, plus cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So here is plus sin A sin B and minus sin A sin B cancel. So this is equal to 1 minus here is cos C times cos A cos B. Cos A cos B is 2 cos A cos B. So let's multiply. This is equal to 1 minus 2 cos A cos B and cos C, which is we have here. This one is its right side. So this is equals to right side or right hand side. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS or LS is equal to RS. Hence, proved. Students, in this way, we completed many different types of question here, different types of 7 model in this exercise. I hope these questions help you to solve such types of many questions. Students, now we are going to start another one exercise related to trigonometrical equation. Trigonometrical equation. In trigonometrical equation, let us start from example. So let's start from example 1. Example 1. In example 1, we have a question. Solve. Suppose we have question 2 cos square x minus 5 cos x plus 2 is equals to 0. We can factorize this question and we'll find the value of x. And for 0 degree is less or equals to x is also less or equals to 360 degree, or we can say x is greater or equals to 0 degree and less or equals to 360 degree. Now solution. We have here 2 cos square x minus 5 cos x plus 2 is equals to 0, or here is 2 cos square x and 2 times 2 is 4. Let's do the factorize. So 2 cos square x minus, if we write it here, 4 plus 1 will get the result or factor of 4, or 2 cos square x minus 4 cos x minus, this is 1 cos x, that one is cos x plus 2 is equals to 0, or we can take 2 cos x common, then here remains cos x minus 2 minus 1 common, so here is also cos x minus 2 is equals to 0, or we can write 2 cos x minus 2 times 2 cos x minus 1 is equals to 0. Now either and then, or either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0, anyone will be 0. So we can write either cos x minus 2 is equal to 0 or 2 cos x minus 1 is equals to 0. So if here cos x, we can write therefore cos x is equals to 2, and here which is not possible. Cos x is equal to 2 have no solution, so we can write no solution, because the value of cos x be from -1 to +1, but here is 2. So another one side we can write or 2 cos x is equal to 1. So cos x is equal to 1 by 2. So value of cos x here 1 by 2, and our range is up to 360 degree. So if we'll check by this way, here is A after school to college, we can remember like this. So here cos is positive in fourth quadrant and then first quadrant only. So here for the first quadrant we can write cos x is equals to cos 60 degree, or for the fourth quadrant there is up to 60 degree, that's positive, and here is 360 minus 60 degree. So we can write cos 360 degree minus 60 degree. So therefore x is equals to, here is 60 degree, or we can write 300 degree is the required answer of this question. In this way we solved this question and we found the value of x. Students, now we are going to start another one types of question in example 2. Example 2. Solve here. We have 6, suppose 6 cos square a plus 4 sin square a. Here is cos square a and here is sin square a minus 5 is equals to 0 for 0 degree is less or equals to a is also less or equals to 2 pi, or we can say a is greater or equals to 0 degree and less or equals to 2 pi. Solution, or we can write here the given condition is 6 cos square a plus 4 sin square a minus 5 is equals to 0. We have to change this cos in terms of sine or sine in terms of cos. So let's change this. We can write or 6 cos square a plus 4 times 1 minus sine square is 1 minus cos square a minus 5 is equals to 0. Or we can write 6 cos square a plus 4 minus 4 times cos square a minus 5 is equals to 0. Or we can write 6 cos square a minus 4 cos square a is 2 cos square a, and then 4 minus 5 is minus 1 is equals to 0. Or cos square a is equals to 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. Or we can write cos a whole square is equals to, this means 1 by root 2, and we can write plus minus whole square. So if we'll cut this taking square root, we can write therefore cos a is equals to plus minus 1 by root 2. Now here is our range is from 0 degree to 2 pi means 360 degree. So suppose these are 4 quadrants, and then we can say all positive, sine positive, tan positive, cos positive. So here is cos A, here is positive and negative both. So here is cos positive, it's plus, here is cos positive, it's plus, and here is cos negative, here is minus. So here is also cos negative, here is also minus. So we can take the value of all four quadrants. So we can write like this, cos A is equals to cos 45 degree for the first quadrant, or cos 180 degree minus 45 degree for the second quadrant. For the third quadrant we can write, or cos 180 degree plus 45 degree, or for the fourth quadrant 360 minus 45 degree, or cos 360 degree minus 45 degree. So therefore we can write A is equals to 45 degree, or 135 degree, or 225 degree, or 315 degree. And this is the required solution of this question. Students, I think you don't have any confusion in this question. Students, now we are going to start another one example. That example is also different types than the previous one. So our example is example 3. Example 3. Solve. We have here cot x plus tan x is equals to 2, and here is nothing, either 0 degree less or equals to x is less or equals to either 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, nothing is there. So condition, how can we solve this question? Now let's look here, solution, or we can write here. We have the condition is cot x plus tan x is equals to 2, or cot x we can change in terms of either cot x in terms of tan or tan in terms of cot. So it's easy to change cot in terms of tan and to find the value of tan. So cot x is 1 by tan x plus tan x is equals to 2, or we can take LCM tan x. So 1 plus tan square x is equals to 2, or 1 plus tan square x is equal to 2 tan x, or here is 1 minus 2 tan x plus tan square x is equals to 0, or we can write this is a square minus 2, and then here is also we can suppose 1 2ab plus b square. That one is 1 minus this means 1 minus tan x a minus b whole square is equals to 0. So we can write 1 minus tan x is equals to 0 because this one is repeated square, due to that one repeated. So tan x we can write, therefore tan x is equal to 1. Now here tan x is equal to 10 45 degree. 10 45 degree is pi by 4. We can write, or and therefore we can write tan x is equal to 10 pi by 4. Now we have here therefore x is equal to n pi plus pi by 4, or we can write 1 by 4 pi, and we can write for any integral value of n. If we put here instead of n is 0, then we'll get 0 pi plus 1 by 4 pi, that one is 45 degree. We'll get 45 degree here instead of this. And if we write it here 1, then we'll get another one. Here is 1 times pi is 180, so 180 plus 45, we'll get the another one. In this way our answer is this one here, and we solve this question. Students, now we are going to look another one example of again different types of question. So on example 4, solve. Suppose root 3 sin x minus cos x is equal to root 3 minus cos x is equal to root 3 for 0 less or equals to x is also less or equals to 2 pi. Solution or solution, the given condition is we have root 3 sin x minus cos x is equal to root 3. So here is this sin and then here is cos. So we can square both sides also, or if we'll take cos x in this side and then we can squaring on both sides, or we have another one way also. We'll take the coefficient of sin and then coefficient of cos. So here is coefficient of sin x whole square plus coefficient of cos x whole square, and this is root under. So this is equals to coefficient of sin x means we have root 3, coefficient of cos x is minus 1. So root 3 whole square plus minus 1 also whole square. So this is equals to this and this cancel. So 3 plus 1, and this one is 4, this one is 2. So we can put it in one bracket dividing both sides by 2. Dividing both sides by 2. So we'll get root 3 by 2 sin x minus 1 by 2 cos x is equal to root 3 by 2. Students, if we'll divide it both sides by 2, we'll do like this, divide by 2 and divide by 2, and then if we'll separate root 3 by 2 and then 1 by 2, we separate it here. So or we can write here, this is sin x, so we can write sin x times root 3 by 2 is cos 30 degree. Cos 30 is 1 by 2, root 3 by 2 minus, we can write cos x times minus, here is 1 by 2 is sin a cos b, cos a sin b. We need sin 30 degree is equals to root 3 by 2. Or we can write this is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. The formula of sin a cos b minus cos a sin b is sin a minus b. Instead of a is x and B is 30 degree is equals to, here is sine. So we have to write it also here, sine. So we can write sine root 3 by 2 is simply sine 60 degree. Hence we can write here x minus 30 degree is equal to this 60 degree. 60 degree is we know pi by 3. So we can write it here n pi plus minus 1 to the power n pi by 3. We can write, and then we'll get the answer up to here also. So put n is equal to 0. We'll get x minus 30 is equals to 0 times pi plus minus 1 to the power 0 times pi by 3. So x will get x is equals to, this is 0 minus 1 to the power 0 is also plus 1. So pi by 3 is 60 degree plus 30 degree. This minus 30 it goes on this side. Therefore x is equal to, we can write, or therefore x is equal to 90 degree. In this way we found this x is equal to 90 degree. Again put n is equal to 1 here. Again put n is equal to 1. Then we have x minus 30 degree is equal to, x minus 30 degree is equal to 1 times pi plus minus 1 times, here is 0 is 1 times pi by 3. Now this is equal to, we can write, or x minus 30 degree is equal to, pi means 180 degree. This is minus pi by 3 is 60 degree. So we'll get x is equal to 180 minus 60 is 120 plus 30 degree. Therefore x is equal to 150 degree. But we have to go up to 2 pi here. So again put x is equal to, again put x n is equal to 2. So we'll get here 2 pi, and then here is minus 1 to the power will be 2. So it will be plus, and then it will be more than 2 pi. So it's not necessary. Therefore our required answer x is equals to, this is 90 degree and this is 150 degree. 90 degree and 150 degree is the required answer of our question. This, students, now we are going to start another one example of again different types of question. So our example 5. Example 5, question is solve. We have here 2 sine 3x minus 2 sine x plus 5 cos x is equals to 0. Only this. Or we can write 5 cos 2x is equals to 0. Now solution. We have here the given condition. We have 2 sine 3x minus 2 sine x plus 5 cos 2x is equals to 0. So here is, if we'll take 2 common, or we can write if we'll take 2 common, then sine 3x minus sin x plus 5 cos 2x is equals to 0. Or we can write 2 times, what is the formula of sin c minus sin d? Students, you know sin c minus sin d is sin is here minus, so cos c plus 2 cos c plus d by 2 times cos c minus d by 2. We have this formula. So using the same here, we can write 2 cos c plus d by 2 times here sin c minus d by 2. So 2 cos 3x plus x by 2 times sin 3x minus x by 2 plus 5 cos 2x is equals to 0. Or we have here 2 times 2 is 4, and then cos 3x plus x is 4x by 2 is 2x times sin 3x minus x is 2x by 2 is sin x plus 5 cos 2x is equal to 0. Or we can take cos 2x common, here is also cos 2x, here is also cos 2x, so we can take common, then remaining is 4 sin x plus 5 is equals to 0 here. So we have to do here either, or we can write thus cos 2x is equals to 0. We can say this one is equation 1, and then another one, and 4 sin x plus 5 is equals to 0. Or we can write sin x is equal to minus 5 by 4. This is more than 5 by 4 is more than 1 minus 1. So it does not have a solution. So we can write no solution. Now from equation 1, we have here cos 2x. Cos 2x is equals to, here is 0, so we can write cos 2x is equal to cos 90 degree and then therefore x is equal to 45 degree. We can write that therefore 2x is equal to 90 degree and x is equal to 45 degree. Therefore again x is equal to 45 degree. So we can write the answer. Here is, we have to find here many values of x. Therefore x is equal to, first one is 45 degree and second one is 180. We know 180 minus 45 degree. Similarly, next one is 180 plus 45 degree. Or next one is 360 minus 45 degree. Or next one is 360 plus 45 degree, etc. So we can write therefore x is equal to 45 degree, and then this minus this is, we can write 135 degree. Again this plus this is 225 degree, and this minus this is 315 degree, and then etc. we can write. In this way we can solve this question, and this is the required answer of our question.